Hello and welcome to another dashcam video from Adventures with TCS. My name is Tom and today be right along with me as I drive west on I-80. But first of all, I'd like to tell you how excited I am to share with you these videos from my 2022 trip to Western Nevada and far eastern California. I hope you guys will enjoy right along with me, and if you do, I'd always appreciate a like or a comment to encourage me as I try to travel down all the best highways that America has to offer. So in today's part of this trip, we'll continue our way west from Wells, Nevada. As we continue west, we'll drive through some tropical rain as we drive along the mountains and the Humboldt River on our way to Elko. Also, don't forget that included in this video are, of course, lots of fun facts about our route and Nevada, as well as a trivia question. The video this trip is from will feature a little bit of everything as we travel to some new and familiar places, including the lonely US 50 in Nevada, the scenic $1 Million Highway in Colorado, the amazing Bryce, Canyonlands, and Zion National Parks, and of course, hundreds of scenic miles in my favorite states of Utah and Colorado. If you're new here or watching today's video while still unsubscribed, I hope this video persuades you to hit that subscribe button so you can keep following along on my road trip adventures. New videos will be posted here every couple of days, and if you missed any of the ones before this one, you can catch up by clicking the playlist link in the description. Also, it may be a little overwhelming to catch up on the hundreds of interstate and highway dashcam videos I've uploaded, so now I've created a best of the best playlist. There's a link in the description of what I think are great drives to get caught up on. If you think I missed a video that should be included in that list, let me know in the comments. Finally, the video description has a ton of other information that is helpful as well, like what's upcoming on this trip, my social links, and also ways you can help make more videos like these possible. So make sure to check that out. Also, if you like this video and similar content, please help me out by giving it a like or just sharing it with someone. It really helps me grow my channel and allows more people to enjoy my content. Now that is all taken care of, I'm going to keep driving west on I-80 in the great state of Nevada. Well, that's it for this video, and thanks so much for watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, Please help me out by clicking that like button and or sharing it with a friend. In the next video from this amazing trip, we'll continue our way west on I-80 in the great state of Nevada, so make sure you're subscribed so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching, and until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.